guys, it's Tharby with Large Hut Studios, and we're doing another devlog for Winterreach Emporium. And this is actually going to be our last devlog before we submit for the Epic Megagrant, so let's hope that we get that. What we're going to touch on here, we're running through like our order menu. This is kind of like how you'll order stuff to the shop, all the stock that you're going to end up stocking your shelves with. Once you get that ordered, it'll take time to travel to the store. To be delivered. After it's delivered, the stockers, which aren't in the game yet, but will be by the time we submit for the Megagrant, they'll go back to the stock room, they'll take the assets, and then they'll go and put them all on the shelves, which also works. And you get to see all the pretty items on the shelves, nice and displayed. So here I'm just showing the different items. You're adding it to the order queue. It's not synced up with the bank right now, but it will be. It's a pretty easy fix, and then it'll queue up your order. When the game's actually done, you'll only be able to put in one order at a time, and then it'll take 3 days. And I think we're just going to keep it simple like that. And maybe there'll be a couple dynamic events where if there's a blizzard, it can take a day quicker, or if it's or a day longer rather. But or if it's a sunny clear path, maybe it'll be a day shorter. So. That's kind of how the order travel time will work. We're working out a couple bugs still. There'll be a little bit more to this. We're currently working on a snap to grid build system as well, which will be here for the Megagrant video. Here you can see all of the actors are actually getting stored in the array. This is the stored items array. This is where the actual AI, the workers, will go grab it from here and go stock the shelves, and then the customers will take it off the shelves and buy it. So we're getting pretty far into ramping up production, and we're really hoping to get the Megagrant, because once we get that funding, we can just really steamroll through production and try to hit a winter time frame on the release, which is perfect for the game. And with that being said, I will show on the screen some of our UI updates, because we have a lot of UI updates coming in from our artist. So those will be on the screen now. You're going to see this is the wireframe for the HUD. This will just be the regular on-screen HUD. Next is the wireframe for the reputation and shop rating system. The recruit system. This is how you'll get more workers. Next we have the staff, which is the workers that you have. This is how you'll manage your staff. Next is the order screen. This is how you're going to queue up your orders and select all what you're going to be buying. Next is a tracker for your order incoming. It'll show you how far away it is and have a little map there and lock you out of the order, because you'll only be able to have one at a time. Next we have the end of day shop ledger. This is kind of a summary on your day, how much you earned or lost, and we'll have some trends like your shop reputation and even some stuff for the events. Next is the archive. This will just be an archive of your past shop ledgers, so you can go see what you've done in sales and stuff like that in the past. Next is achievements. We're going to have a little achievement log. Next is the dynamic event pop-up, as well as the kind of the warning pop-up in the bottom there. Next is a wireframe for the main menu. There'll be an active scene behind this, most likely. Next ones, we'll just fly by them. We have the pause menu, the settings menu, settings menus. We're working on the research. It's kind of a work in progress, but yeah, this is kind of just here for now. The catalog, you'll use this catalog for the placeable assets. You'll buy them from the catalog, and then it'll populate into a tray. Next is an update on the widget sound song player. And then lastly, we have a awesome screenshot of the calendar in-game. So look forward for all this stuff. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Also, huge if you wishlist the game. I mean, that's the best way to support the company here. So wishlist the game. If you're into management games, please wishlist it. But like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. and we'll have more for you soon.